got a huge climb on the, huge climb. Hey, wait for it. No, you're not up. You're not up yet. There you go. Nailed it.
What's up guys? If you haven't already, definitely check out the links in the description below. We've got lots of cool discount links, discount codes for a lot of awesome companies. I'll leave you to the rest of this video guys, and thanks for watching.
Okay, we have a rig approaching destabilize. It's the second difficult, right next to Vinaj. Between the trees. Yeah.
Tight squeeze. Okay, 3 degrees off camber. It's very tight. Big black ram makes it look easy. All right, here we go. Mr. Rick going to attempt the destabilizer.
Destabilize, yes. Rick, as a only crazy person, is gonna try that. Destabilize.
Driver's side front is not spinning. Back up. Back up 2 feet.
I think you need to climb more on this.
Yeah?
Yeah. No. Here? I think, yeah?
I can't see anything, man. I'm staring at the sun right now.
Alright.
Alright, driver. Right there.
You know what's the most underrated activity you can do with your kids for free? Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Tootie-top.
Tootie-top. No, it's fishing. So today, we're gonna show you the CarryCast 9000.
Whoa!
This is the fishing rod of your dreams. Folds down to the size of your hand, and upon a moment's notice, you're ready to fish. You see that?
Yeah.
Did that just blow your mind?
Yeah.
So how small is this thing? Take a look. Literally the same size as my hand. So where can you store this thing? Anywhere. Let me show you. How about your pocket? How about in your neighbor's mailbox? There's still plenty of room for mail. Or under the driver's seat of your truck. CarryCast. Or in your center console. CarryCast. or in your cup holder, carry cast, or in this thing, carry cast, or in your tailgate storage box, carry cast. We're up your best friend's ass with carry cast.
Round 2, fight.
Forward driver, yeah?
Correct, yes, forward driver.
There you go. Destabilizer done by Rick with his TRX. And he's gonna be the only one who did it.
That was nerve-wracking. We did. Hey, high five.
Let's hear it.
Woo! We did it!
Woo!
Well done, brother. Well done.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. I couldn't see anything. I was staring off into the sky.
Maybe better that you didn't see.
Really? I just went with what I felt.
How do you feel?
I feel like my heart's palpitating.
You feel destabilized?
Yeah, I do feel it. My heart feels it. What is this?
Carry cast.
Carry cast. Make memories with carry cast. All right, you reel it in. Carry cast isn't just a normal fishing rod. It's a compact, portable rod you can take with you anywhere, and you can fish anytime. In between car pickups, school pickups, kid pickups, see a pond, carry cast. You like the carry cast? Wait, do you have a fish? Yeah. Oh, you got a fish, dude! Pull him in, pull him in. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
How about that? Oh, this one floats.
Ooh, so you can see it.
Do you see it? Are you zooming in on it?
Yeah.
Do you see me?
Oh.
Do you see it?
Oh.
Oh, we got a fish, Chandler. Look, zoom in on it. Zoom in on it, zoom in. What are you talking? Are you kidding me, dude? The first time we threw this thing, look.
Woo!
Look.
Fish!
Dude, second cast, the first one didn't even count, right? Because I skipped it across the thing. Are you kidding me?
Wow.
Look at that, dude. Subscribe for more of this. All right, so here's Lucas. On the Datum bypass. Oh, he's gonna take it super bypassy too, huh? It's about as bypassy as it gets. Be careful, you might touch a rock. Yeah, that's literally. You got a huge climb on the. Huge climb. Hey, wait for it. No, you're not up. You're not up yet.
Not yet.
There you go. Nailed it. What is this?
Carry cast.
Carry cast. Reed, you got a fish. You got a fish, man. You got a fish. You got a fish, dude. Reel it in, reel it in, reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. Whoa, Rito. Whoa. Whoa. Reed, touch the fish. There you go. Carry cast. What's up, guys? If you find this video entertaining in any way, go ahead and mash that Chuck Norris button for us. All right, so here's Datum.
Straight. Yeah, I go exactly like you did now.
I couldn't see
You were very far from the tree, you know. And now I took it very close to driver. You're good, you should go.
She's done V-notch. Nice work.
Hey, Daddy.
Oh my goodness. You guys have a little fort in there.
I know. How cool is that?
Fire that took 2 hours to make. Popcorn that took 4 hours to make.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's perfect. Look at that.
Wow.
That's a lot. Look at it. Look at it. Look at my popcorn.
Dude,
Look at it.
the popcorn just popped out.
That's why you never give up. Take a bite. Never give up. 10 seconds it says.